What kind of surgery is happening on your car right now?
We are replacing both fan belts, but the fan belt and the alternator belt, because one of them was coming apart. And then we're also going to put the tensioner in. Okay. So.
It's supposed to be a bolt that acts as a backup so that your idler doesn't slip.
Oh.
So that's missing. Metric 8 or 10, you have to find a long one.
You can find one, like Lowe's will have an Ace Hardware for sure. Yeah. Just pick something like that. It'll be $1.
The culprit, and then when we turn it inside out, you can see that it's time to go.
Right now we're going to loosen the tensioner bracket for the alternator belt, and I'm trying to get this ratchet on here, but it looks like I'm gonna have to use a wrench because this is there's not enough clearance. There it goes. Here we go. I had to push the alternator toward the center of the car to allow the belt to be taken off. Now we need to remove the original tensioner. The bolt pushes out the back. And now we need to disconnect the original bracket from the bottom of the alternator. And I think Richard is going to volunteer to do that.
It's my car, I'll do whatever.
This will be replaced with a longer one to accommodate the new tensioner.
Performing surgery.
Yep.
Catch the washer here. All right.
I had shock to a couple of them.
And so this bolt has to come out?
Yes.
The problem is that there's a, what is this? This is the,
Is the oil pressure sender in the way?
yes.
Is there any way to get around it?
No.
Put it back in.
Okay. And that's, I don't think that the other bolt's gonna work because you're right, it is rounded in there unless you just tighten the crap out of it. Wow, it's filthy under here. Whose car is this? Why hasn't he cleaned it?
Yeah, it was
Yeah, it'll work.
Okay.
So we'll leave that one alone.
Okay.
So put that on the alternator side.
Not long enough.
It isn't?
No.
I'm taking up some slack by putting a nut as a spacer so there's not as much thread exposed.
This is 13.
13 millimeter?
On my side, which means it's probably bigger on your side.
No, it's the same. It should be the same. Okay. Ah!
Oh.
Okay, push it through.
It's a slippery little booger. Yeah?
Is that it?
Yep.
All right.
Thanks for your help, man.
Yeah.
I didn't even know where this went.
Now you do. Here's our new alternator belt. We need to feed it over the water pump pulley, and then the crankshaft pulley, and then over the water pump pulley. And then
I can help down here, maybe.
hopefully it will spin on.
That's all we got. Just one and then get wedge it around the top.
It might be.
Is it still on the bottom?
Yep. Yeah.
So it goes around the big part, not the little part?
There we go. Got it.
Okay.
We don't want anything rubbing. Perfect. So I'm snugging up these bolts on the idler pulley for the air conditioner belt, and then we're going to tap the sliding bracket down so that we put tension on it. So when you snug the bolts up, you can tap it down and it won't slide up again. All right.
All good?